Chainway C5, high-performance mobility for smarter business operations.
Running on Android 11 or 13 with an octa-core processor, the C5 ensures smooth operations. Choose from multiple memory options and expand storage up to 256 GB for your business applications.
And with a powerful 6700 mAh or optional 13400 mAh removable pistol battery, plus hot swap support, you get uninterrupted performance all day long. Beyond RFID, the C5 supports barcode scanning, NFC, fingerprint recognition, and high-quality imaging with its 13-megapixel rear camera. Powered by the Impinj E710 module and supporting Gen 2X, the C5 delivers industry-leading RFID performance with stable, long-range reading up to 33 meters and ultra-fast speeds of over 1300 tags per second. Whether in warehousing, logistics, retail, public security, or banking, the C5 adapts seamlessly to diverse business needs.